Hello, Namaste and welcome back. In this lecture, we will go through one of the important features of Confluence, that is page blueprints. A blueprint, as you would be aware, is a set of templates with added functionality to help you create, manage and organize content in Confluence more easily. In one of the previous lecture, we looked at creating space blueprints like knowledge share, documentation space, etc. In this lecture, we'll go through the page blueprints. So let's switch to this Confluence tool. We will go through some of the commonly used blueprints to understand how useful these templates are and how we can make the most out of it to create dynamic and rich content. Alright, let's click on the button to create a page under a space. So if you're on the home page, which currently we are, in that case, the default space which is showing over here is the personal space. So Jessica's diary is the personal space of Jessica. In case you want to choose any other space, you can do that by selecting that relevant space from the drop down menu. One important point to be noted here, for you to create a page under a particular space, you need to have the permission to do that. So for now, I'm just keeping Jessica's diary as a space under which I'll be creating a new page. So if we start from here, the first one is blank page. As the name sounds, this page does not contain any template. Beneath that, we have 90-day plan. So there is a defined template for 90-day plan for onboarding a new hire to get up to speed and succeed in their role. So let's look at this template by hitting the create button. So this is how the template looks like. You address the team member, you welcome him or her to the team, you provide guidelines to get onboarded, introduce the team member and share the point of contacts to whom he can get in touch and know more about the team and how his first week would look like, assign some tasks and some 90-day milestones. So you can see that how useful this template is and how nicely the information has been structured. So this will definitely save your time if you want to create something like this. And once you have inserted the information and the content, you can publish this page by clicking the publish icon. So for now, let's close this.